Exselsior Tech, back with a very exciting product in this box right here. Some of you actually might not recognize this box because people don't often show it, so I thought I would show it. This is actually an iPhone box. It's upside down, but I want to show you guys what an unboxing an iPhone looks like straight from the mail, just like this. So let's do it. Now even Apple is good with their packaging, even straight from the mail. So like I said, it's upside down, but it unfolds like that, very elaborate. And yeah, this is how right in this plastic. If you fold this up and then fold out these pieces here, it'll make it looser and easier to pull out. So there we go, you can see that nice phone there. It's a iPhone 11, it's white. I like the white color, I have a white car. New car, by the way, I might make a video on that. Regardless, white iPhone 11, it's 64 gigabytes. So let's unbox this. There's no phone. It's good, it's in my pocket. I've been using it for a little bit, and just to give a little bit of first impressions. So I've been using it for a little bit, but I'll still go over what's in the rest of the box here. Obviously this little package is in it. It's instructions, stickers, like a welcome guide, and then the ear pods, not AirPods, but ear pods with a lightning, plugs in by lightning because this doesn't have a headphone jack, and then a lightning cord, and then just a normal, your run-of-the-mill 5-watt charger. The Pros come with an 18-watt, which is bigger, I believe. So that's, if you want that, you gotta go Pro. So that's what's in the box. Nothing special, nothing new. This is what it's been for a long time. So when I first picked up this box, it's heavy. Like, the phone's not in it, but it's still heavy. Like, the cardboard is just heavy. So that's what's in the box. Now I'll get on to the actual phone. Alright, here it is in all its glory. I actually, despite popular belief, I think these cameras look good, even with the third camera, if you have the Pro. Because they're separate, I think that's why I like it. I think it looks good. But it's white, I like white. If they would have had the blue still, I think I might have got the blue, but they don't have that this year, so I went with the white. Different from other years, Apple logo has been moved down. I believe it's enlarged, and iPhone text is completely gone. Very clean back. Doesn't look at that. The front is the same as a normal 10R, same as last year. Still same bottom. Aluminum sides, very nice. Still big power button, still Face ID, which works on a table pretty well. They're unlocked, works pretty well. I never had a Face ID before, so I'm not sure how that compares, but people had been complaining, I know, about this, and it works. I'm not going to give you guys all the specs because I personally think they're sort of boring and don't mean a ton, but here are some. If you want to know all the specs, everything, you can check it out online. I'll put a link to, I guess, Apple's website, but I'll go over a few of them. Just saying 6.1-inch screen and long battery life is what you're going to care about. Good cameras, probably best cameras on the market right now. Has the new A13 processor inside, A13 Bionic, and that is the fastest processor there is in a smartphone right now. And I can tell it is quick. Like, if I click on settings, like, it's already ready to use before it even opens. So it is very quick. I believe it has 4 gigs of RAM, which isn't a lot for a smartphone, but for an Apple, for an iPhone, it's plenty. they are very efficient. The battery life is amazing. With my old phone, at work the service isn't great. Sometimes there's no service in the building, so I would put it on airplane mode, but still connect to the Wi-Fi. And at the end of the day, after work, phone would be about 50%. It's a 6S, so it's pretty old, but keep that in mind. This phone, I took it to work. I did not put it on airplane mode, and still used it just as much, or more. And at the end of the day, it was at about 80%. So that is a significant improvement. I went throughout the rest of the day, used it throughout the day, into the night, till like 11 p.m. And it was still at like 40%, which is very good. So you're probably not really gonna have to charge this very much. Obviously, there's two cameras. One is just a normal, just a normal camera. The other one is ultra wide. So if you look here, open the camera, and you can see right there, not a good picture of much, but that's ×1, and then you click it, and it's 0.5. So it's telephoto, zooms out. You can get a lot more in the picture. I think it's good that they went with the ultra wide rather than the telephoto for the second camera, because you can always zoom in digitally, but you can never like zoom way out. So I think that's good that they went with that. You can see I already put a screen protector on, and I have a case already as well, clear back, so I can still see this nice white. This is a speaking case. So yeah, I really like this phone. It's a huge upgrade. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a speed test in another video with my old 6S, and we'll see how that looks. But I would definitely recommend this. If you're looking for a new phone or iPhone, it's only $700, pretty cheap for a flagship smartphone nowadays, and just as fast, battery life than the Pros. So definitely recommend. It does not have an OLED screen. It has LCD, but it's still, your eyes can hardly tell difference. Maybe in brightness it's different, but still very good, very fluid, very fast. So big recommendation here if you're looking for something. So thanks for watching. I'll have probably at least one more video about this coming out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how I can improve. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.